today's video ay magluluto tayo ng beef caldereta with a twist. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Friendship, ito na po yung mga ingredients natin. We have here 200 grams beef. Pinakuluan ko na siya at pinalambot. 2 pieces carrots. And ka-friendship, ito po yung twist natin. Instead, nagagamit tayo ng patatas, gagamit tayo ng kamote or sweet potato. We have here 6 cloves garlic. 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 2 pieces bell pepper, green and red, 2 pieces calamansi. Meron tayo ditong 90 grams cheese. Hiniwa ko na siya into cubes. We have here 40 grams peanut butter, 1 cup green peas, frozen, and we have here 85 grams liver spread. We have here 70 grams tomato paste, 115 grams tomato sauce, and gagamit tayo ng 64 grams na green olives, and then liquid seasoning, cooking oil, and of course we will be using salt and pepper. And also, ka-friendship, we have here 1 1/2 cups beef broth. Ito yung pinakuluan ko kanina. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do first, ka-friendship, is maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil sa ating preheated wok. Ayan. At ipiprito natin yung ating carrots at saka yung ating sweet potato. And habang piniprito natin sa friendship, lagyan natin ng konting asin. Fried na po yung carrots natin yung friendship. So what we are going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa wok at i-transfer natin sa plato na may paper towel to remove the excess oil. And then after that, set aside na lang muna natin siya. And isunod natin na iprito yung ating sweet potato. So ayan ka friendship, ipiprito na din natin yung ating kamote or yung ating sweet potato. So ayan ka friendship, fry na din yung ating sweet potato or yung ating kamote. So i-remove natin siya sa wok, and then ita-transfer din natin sa plato na may paper towel to remove the excess oil. And then set aside na lang muna natin siya. So sa the same wok of friendship, maglalagay ulit tayo ng konting cooking oil. And then after that, igigisa natin yung ating bawang or yung ating garlic. Sunod natin yung ating onion. saka yung ating tomato. At this point of time, chef, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating beef, yung pinalambot nating beef. Ayan, igisa lang natin siya ng kaunti. Malambot na siya ka-friendship. Dagdagan natin ng konting salt. At saka pepper. Hayaan naman muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship ng at least 2 to 3 minutes. Ang ka-friendship, pwede na natin ilagdag yung ating tomato sauce. Ayan. Simutin natin. And then after that, pwede na natin ilagdag yung ating broth. Okay, so isisimmer na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship ng at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go back later. At this point ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating half-fried na carrots at saka yung ating sweet potato. Mainit. And then, after that, idagdag natin yung ating green peas. Ayan. At saka yung ating cheese. At saka yung ating peanut butter. And then, idagdag na rin natin yung ating liver spread. Simutin natin. Ayan. Oops. So, mix lang natin very well. Just to make sure na mag-distribute yung ating cheese, saka peanut butter at liver spread. Okay, so isisimmer lang natin siya ka-friendship ng at least 2 to 3 minutes. At this point ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating olives. Ayan. At saka yung ating red at green bell pepper. Timplahan natin siya ng Knorr liquid seasoning. Okay, so at this point, tikman natin ang saltiness. Kung okay na siya. Ayan, okay na siya ka-friendship. Okay, so what we're going to do next is squeeze natin yung 2 pieces calamansi natin to enhance the flavor of our beef caldereta. Okay, so ayan. Luto na yung ating beef caldereta ka-friendship. So, ready for serving na siya. Bago ko pala makalimutan ka-friendship, idagdag natin yung ating tomato paste. Ayan. Muntik na siyang makalimutan actually. Simutin natin. Ayan. So, mix lang natin very well. Just to make sure na mag-distribute yung tomato paste sa ating beef caldereta. Okay. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Ready for serving na siya this time. Talagang ready na. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating beef caldereta with a twist. Friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutumira at your service. Always remember that the best way to get things done is to simply begin. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!